For the best price, click the link in the description. I'm excited to share my honest review of the Autel EVO II V3 drone. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty details, let's face it, there are plenty of drones on the market that promise the world but fail to deliver. Therefore, I'll be cutting through the noise and giving you a no-holds-barred review of what this drone can really do. Are you tired of investing in subpar drones that leave you frustrated? Do you want to know if the Autel EVO II V3 is worth the hype? Let's get started. /N/N deep dive word count 100 to 300. The Autel EVO II V3 is a high-end drone designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With its impressive specs, it promises to deliver high-quality footage in various environments. But what really sets it apart from the competition? Let's take a closer look. First off, let's talk about the camera system. The Autel EVO II V3 boasts a 48-megapixel primary sensor with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor. This means you can capture stunning 8K video at up to 30 FPS or 12-bit RAW photos in D-Log mode. But that's not all, it also features a wide-angle lens with an impressive field of view, making it perfect for capturing expansive landscapes. But here's what surprised me. The Autel EVO II V3 also comes equipped with a powerful dual-pose camera system. This allows you to capture smooth, stable footage even in harsh environments like strong winds or dusty conditions. Therefore, if you're looking for a drone that can keep up with your adventures, this might be just what you need. One thing I was impressed by is the Autel EVO II V3's impressive flight time. With its advanced battery system and optimized propulsion, it can stay airborne for up to 40 minutes on a single charge. But that's not all, it also features a high-speed transmission of up to 1080p at 60 FPS, making it perfect for real-time monitoring or live streaming. But don't just take my word for it, let's look at some of the key specs. Up to 40 minutes flight time. 48-megapixel primary sensor with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor. Dual-pose camera system. Wide-angle lens with an impressive field of view. High-speed transmission of up to 1080p at 60 FPS. Therefore, if you're looking for a drone that can deliver high-quality footage and handle harsh environments, the Autel EVO II V3 is definitely worth considering. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? Let's take a closer look. Resolution word count 300 to 1300. Now that we've covered some of the key specs, let's talk about what really matters: performance. I spent several hours testing the Autel EVO II V3 in various environments, and here are my thoughts. One thing I noticed right away is how responsive the controls were. The drone's advanced autopilot system made it a breeze to navigate through tight spaces or follow subjects at high speeds. But what really impressed me was its ability to capture smooth footage even in harsh conditions. Whether I was flying over rough terrain or capturing video in strong winds, the Autel EVO II V3 consistently delivered high-quality results. But as with any drone, there are some limitations to consider. The Autel EVO II V3's battery life is impressive, but it still requires regular charging. Therefore, if you're planning on using this drone for extended periods, make sure you have a reliable power source nearby. In terms of camera performance, I was blown away by the quality of the footage. With its 48-megapixel primary sensor and advanced image processing, the Autel EVO II V3 can capture stunning video in a variety of lighting conditions. But what really sets it apart is its ability to handle complex scenes with ease. Whether you're capturing sweeping vistas or intricate details, the Autel EVO II V3 delivers impressive results every time. Therefore, if you're looking for a drone that can help take your content creation to the next level, this might be just what you need. But before we wrap up, let's talk about some of the key benefits of owning an Autel EVO II V3. High-quality footage in various environments. Advanced camera system with 48-megapixel primary sensor and wide-angle lens. Impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes. Dual-pose camera system for smooth, stable footage. High-speed transmission of up to 1080p at 60 FPS. Therefore, if you're looking for a drone that can deliver professional-grade results, the Autel EVO II V3 is definitely worth considering. But where can you get one? For the best price, click the link in the description and get ready to take your content creation to new heights.